Okay, so something a bit different today. I'm just unboxing this case. It's the Ionz KZ16 Black. It's a mid-tower ATX case with tempered glass side panel on the side there. So I'm only kind of really doing this because I liked the case a lot on Amazon, and I just thought to myself, it's such a nice looking case. It looks amazing. I'll show you here on the Amazon listing where it basically has 3 blue, like they call it halo fans. So yeah, so I purchased this. I thought, you know, why not? But I searched through the whole of the internet and there just wasn't any pictures of the actual case, no videos, nothing. So I thought I'd just review this one for you. So let's crack it open and take a look at it. Got no problems with the packaging. It's really nice. Nothing really inside there, but all good here. But however, listen to this. So this is the base, right? And then so when I stand it up, you'll hear something moving around inside there. Man, look at that. It is nice. I like it. My last case that I built, I actually built a PC 3 months ago. Click here, you can watch the video. Was a Corsair one, and very similar style to this. Had this magnetic thing at the top. But this is nice. I like this. Got the 3 fans inside there. I spent a lot of time looking at different cases. You know, all the ones that were 20, 25, 30 pounds, and this one came with 3 fans and the other ones didn't. So, I'm happy with that. So yeah, the fans aren't really tied down, so that's what's been rattling around inside. But I assume they'll be fine. But I don't know, I mean, depending on transit, especially here in the UK, we have Hermes, and I mean, it looks a bit okay. Yeah, that's the back panel. It seems a bit small. It's not like what I was used to with the Corsair Spec Delta case, but still, nonetheless, alright. I can apparently just pull this out from the side. What? Why have they given me iPhone 6 screen protector? That is so random. Anyways, that is random. Okay, let's I don't know, let's take off this the glass. Pulled off this sticker and I was like, what the hell, man, look what it's done to it. But I remember actually reading in the listing them saying that there's a protective film over the glass, so you know, when you get yours, just remember to take this film off. I can see it here. There it is. Yeah, so let's take off the screws first. Alright, so I've got the glass off, and then let's just peel this protective film stuff off. So it looks like there's one on the other side as well, so take that off. Because I'm doing this one-handed, I'm scared I'm going to drop the glass. There we go. Alright, so there's our nice glass. Yeah, it looks so much better. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's remove the glass. I think they've given me more cases. Right, so that's one fan, right? Which looks nice. That's another fan. What is going on here? Look at this. I've got a case for the iPhone 5 and 5S. These guys are so random. And look at this. What the hell, man? Like, why? I don't even know why. Alright, I've got a paper here. Maybe that explains why they've given me some iPhone cases. So I paid 36 for this case, and I got 2 iPhone cases and an iPhone screen protector. Alright. I mean, the fact that this letter was inside the computer shows that, you know, before they shipped it to me, they obviously opened it up. So they've put this in there on purpose. No way you make that kind of mistake, right? Alright, I've got an empty bag with nothing here. Another fan. And what I'm interested in is my box of screws, which I can't... Okay, yeah, they're there. Yeah, nice. So in my last build that I did, these screws didn't even come with it. I got it off Amazon warehouse. So power supply goes in there. It's got this little net thing, which I wonder if I can take off. Let's lift it up. Yeah, so that looks like that just pops out. There you go. Yeah, just a little mesh. I had to check this because I was quite confused. So just moving it about, I realized, you know, look, little finger can lift the whole thing. So I was surprised by, like, you know, my other case, obviously this is without the glass. The glass obviously makes it heavier. But they say apparently the whole total weight is 6 kilos, which seems like it's quite light to me. I mean, that would indicate to me that the metals are softish, which, I don't know, I mean, I'm putting quite a lot of pressure on it. Okay, so this bit here, which I liked, the front grille, is fully plastic, and it feels it, to be honest. I mean, I don't know if I can illustrate this to you, but I can't imagine this looking good for a long time. It doesn't feel good at all. It feels like the cheapest of cheapest plastics, which is a bummer, really. But I mean, what I really look forward to is having the blue fans turned on inside there. Yeah, I went with this because I wanted to get obviously good airflow as well. It seems like they've put this little mesh shield in there as well, but it's kind of just floating in there. It's not really, doesn't seem to be fully attached to anything. Let me see if I can attach it to something. It does actually attach, so it's not a full-on attachment, but it basically is magnetic to this metal. There's a metal strip there, and so pretty much the whole front grille is covered with this mesh, which is obviously a good thing. So other than just that little top bit up there, so it looks like you could easily remove this mesh and install fans here, which is cool. I mean, I'm personally not going to do that, but it looks like you could easily get 1, 2, 3 fans there, and then obviously you got space for 2 fans up here, which is where I'm going to install my fans. You can see the holes there. So I'm going to install my fan there, and another fan here. So I'll have 3 fans, plus obviously the AMD fan, the stock cooler, and then obviously power supply as well. So that would be good enough for me. I'm only planning on doing, you know, a little bit of video editing, not really anything heavy or anything. So I assume this panel comes off. This panel feels super soft actually. Yeah. I don't actually have the parts that I need to build the PC fully. I don't have a motherboard or CPU yet for this one, but I'm just going to install the fans for now, just so you can see what it looks like having the fans in, and I can at least tell you what I think about in terms of the quality of the fans. But looking at them, they look good. They feel like a good weight. You know, they don't feel flimsy or light. And I was looking on AliExpress and stuff, and the fans were going for like 15, 20, 25 pounds for a set of 3. So the fact that you get 3 fans with this, you know, I'm very happy with it. Yeah, let's install the fans. Yeah, just like I thought, the fan quality is nice. It's a really nice fan. Alright, so I've installed the fans. What I've done is I've actually switched it up a bit. I've done it so that these top 2 are intake, so that hopefully they pull the air in and this one blows the air out. I mean, that may or may not be a good idea. I don't know. Again, I'm not really planning on overclocking it or running at high temperatures anyways. In general, the overall case, I love it. It looks absolutely sick. Now, what I really like is the fact that obviously you can put fans in here, and based on how easy that was, I may do that in future. But for now, this case, I think it looks sick. I love it. So overall, very, very happy with the case. I'm not sure entirely about leaving the fans there. I might end up putting 1 at the front or 2 at the front. We'll see. But for now, very, very happy with it. Only dislike really is this plastic grill. The top kind of I/O ports are a bit weird. You've got USB 3 here, then you've got space for USB 1, but nothing actually in there. And then 2 normal USB standard stuff here, just plain. Yeah, I like it. It's very nice. And then yeah, there's the back. I'd say £36 very well spent.